Collecting your estate's dues on WhatsApp and a spreadsheet? Every treasurer knows the pain. Receipts lost in the chat, one laptop holding all the numbers, and nobody quite sure who has paid. This is HOAPortal, a proper community portal built for African estates. Getting started takes an afternoon. Paste your household list straight from Excel and every resident gets a login by email, SMS, or WhatsApp. Your community goes live on its own web address. Now every household sees their own statement and exactly how each payment was applied. Pay 3 months at once, and HOAPortal spreads it across the right months automatically. Here's the part treasurers love. Residents keep paying by mobile money or bank, then simply send the receipt to your estate's WhatsApp number. HOAPortal matches it to the right household on its own, so your month-end reconciliation does itself. See who is behind at a glance and chase them privately, with one tap or automatic reminders by SMS and WhatsApp. No more shaming anyone in the group chat. Your executives see the whole estate any day of the year. Collection rate, arrears, everything live. Pull a clean report for a committee decision whenever you need one and export it to PDF or Excel. Beyond dues, you run the whole community, notices, polls, and maintenance requests all in one place. With proper roles, secure logins, and daily backups, your records outlive any committee. Give your community the portal it deserves. Start a 30-day free trial today, no card required, and run your very first collection the modern way.